Welcome to Healthy Backs, the sequel. This is the second part of the Healthy Back series. Today, we're going to go over rolling, quadruped or a primal-like crawling position, squatting, and transitional movements, side to side. As children and babies, we develop our neuromuscular programming that we use as adults. And we would lose that motion from inactivity or injury. Sometimes we get stuck like that. So, some of these motions that we're going to highlight today are ways that we can practice. With rolling, we find that if we cannot breathe against resistance, maintaining an axis of movement doesn't happen very well. Our diaphragm is a very strong muscle to help stabilize our thoracic spine and provide primary respiration. So, continue breathing, move through the positions, find some different abilities to roll, different ways, be playful with the movement. Our crawling posture, also known as a primal position, is very helpful to re-educate our flexed hips. Hip flexion needs to be an important part of our movement. With sitting, we get lazy and passive with that, and we develop more rounded slouch-like postures. That can contribute to weakness or inability to perceive of how to generate pressure and control. So our crawling posture is a nice one to play with. To bring your knees off the ground challenges the pressure management, makes it harder to breathe, so keep the breath consistent. Challenge yourself to move different body parts. Play with the motion, go sideways, go forwards. Try twisting a little bit. All is okay, but keep breathing. Our functional squat is a very important movement for a healthy back. Not only does it produce strong hips, it also helps us tolerate more motions throughout life. Incorporating a healthy squat into a daily practice is very beneficial. So try these two different sequences, recognizing spinal orientation, checking the position of your knees, as well as giving yourself a target to reach towards. All is beneficial. Do lots of repetitions and make sure that you work on stretching and keeping the back mobile and healthy afterwards. A fun movement that I've come across is called monkey hops, or I like to call them ninja hops. As you move from side to side in this squat transition position, I like to think of it as a movement that maybe we've done when we were children, playing around, wrestling, or moving through space in small areas. Be creative with these motions, find position, and make sure as you transition from one position to the other, you initiate exhalation to create and control pressure, inhale when you can create more stability, and then exhale to help you move through positions. As always, when it comes to a healthy back, you need to be repetitive, continue to practice, and have fun with the motions so that you stick with it. Join us next time on Healthy Backs 3 so we can talk more about some strength training.